What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. You got your new iPhone 11. Let's cover that bad boy up. And you will cover it with a case that should be oriented this way. Now, I picked this up because I actually like the color. It's by Cyrill. It's called Ciel. Ciel? I think it means sky, something like that. Hey, you. I've got great taste. Yes, I do. Comes in this nice little pouch here. I bet you could use this for something else. Go rafting, put some valuables or something in it. Now, it does come in a variety of colors, and I picked this one up just because I really kind of like the look. Now, I will say it's much more taupe, kind of mud, clay, tan, you know, a little, maybe it skews a little bit gray than I thought. I thought it'd be a little bit, maybe more brownish. Looks like there's even a little sticker over the little foil emboss of the Ciel logo on it. Now, I actually did order another one of these because I wanted to check it out in some of the other colors too. They have kind of the brown and the black and whatnot. And the leather cases are usually a little far and few in between. Now, one of the things that I really liked about this case as opposed to some of the other ones is it has buttons that are molded into it, and these are like metal, and a lot of the cases will just cut out this whole side panel so that you'll use the buttons directly on your phone. This one does not, and I really kind of like that. It's kind of nice to be able to find them by touch a little easier. We also have a little bit of a microfiber backing. It only goes to the edge here. You can see that it's actually pretty thin. You know, this leather-like material is wrapped all the way around, and then we have a cutout here for the camera. You can see it's ringed here in a little bit of black plastic. The whole bottom part is cut out and the whole top is enclosed. So let's go ahead and just see if we can get this sucker on. Put that in there first, snap this all in here. Boom, look at that, it goes in that quickly. I can easily get to the switch right there. Volume, power, all works. It's really quite flush. It's just a little bit above the screen, so you should get a little bit of screen protection if you put it down. I do love the fact that it actually fills out the phone a little more. So in my hand, the phone, even though this one is a little thicker than the last one, with the case, it fits better. So if you've got big hands, something like that, I think it's gonna be a little more comfortable. And you can see how it's raised up. So actually I'll get a little bit of camera housing protection, which also means I don't have the wobble, because when you put it down without a case, that camera housing will kind of hold up the sides so the phone will wobble. So you'll get no wobble with this because that camera is actually a little lower than the edge, which I also do like. I will say here, because I have the emerald green one, it's in a kind of a nice look. I kind of dig that. It does not look bad at all. You would think that the green would clash, but it's really kind of a very dark green. So I really like this. This is really nice. It wasn't that expensive, about 15 bucks for this case. I think overall it's pretty nice. That's why I got some of the other ones. And so if you want to pick this up, I will put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out.